got money, you make the world go round. No life without you around. And they say the darker the berry, then the sweeter the juice. I know that there's a God because she is in you.
Welcome back to the ExoticATL channel with your girl, Miss Chi. Today's video, I'm going to give you a simple yoga technique that will increase your lung capacity, increase your immune system, and also let you know if you have any type of respiratory issues that you need to be seen about. Let's jump right into it. First thing first, you need to do this on an empty stomach or hungry in some type of way. So don't do this if you're full, basically. Do it as close to an empty stomach as possible. You're going to get in a comfortable position and sit with your legs crossed, Indian style if you can. But, you know, do whatever is comfortable to your body. Okay, so you're going to lift up. And what you're doing is you're lifting your lungs off of your diaphragm area. So you want to lift up. And close your eyes. Throughout this whole process, your eyes will be closed. So you close your eyes and lick your tongue out. I've been eating that, so you'll see some on my tongue. I've been eating Brazilian nuts. Okay, so you're going to close your eyes. You're lifted up and stick your tongue out as far as you can, like so. Now you're going to breathe in and out powerfully, but not to where you're jerking your stomach. And you're going to make a constricting noise in your throat, like so. You're going to do that 21 times. Once you're done doing this, you're going to take your tongue and roll it up. Roll your tongue back as far as you can. You don't have to use your fingers. Eyes still closed, still sitting in the same position. The same sound with your throat, doing it 21 times, like so. Okay, now once we do that 21 times, tongue stuck out 21 times, roll your tongue up, the same breathing 21 times. And then after you do the tongue roll back 21 times, you're going to inhale and hold it. Now, you're going to hold it for 1 minute. Inhale and hold your breath in for 1 minute. If you have some type of health issues or something like that, inhale and hold it in for 30 seconds. And when you exhale using the constriction. So we're going to inhale, hold it for 1 minute, and then exhale. Okay, let's do it. Tongue out, begin. Now, roll your tongue back as far as you can. Same thing, 21 times. Now, inhale and hold. Now, if you got done with that successfully, kudos to you. If you can't get through that exercise, you might want to get your respiratory system checked out and see what's going on. This is something good to do every single day, every other day, several times a week to expand your lung capacity, build your immune system, and also to make sure that you have a healthy respiratory system. If you like this video, if you found this video informative in any type of way, please give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you can get a notification of all the videos as I'm dropping them. Much love and peace. Cheese.
Baby, you're a queen in my eyes, most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you. You're so graceful, and I'm grateful. There's nothing to consider. What's better than a soul sister? I will put my freedom on the line for you. My love for you will lead me to die for you. Brothers need the boss.